Here we are repointing the brick, and this time I tried something different. I had bought some red coloring, thought I would try it out, and I was surprised it didn't take that much. I didn't mix up a lot, but it doesn't take a lot to do quite a bit of pointing. Some spots take quite a bit, like right in here, but then there's a lot of spots that really don't take much at all. And the red is going over it. Even when I just put a little bit on here, you can see what it did. Now I'm trying to spray it down a little bit before I, just to get it wet so it doesn't suck the moisture out too fast. But that's kind of tough. I need a better spray bottle probably, and a bigger one. But it did rain yesterday, so maybe the brick aren't super dry. And it's going well. It's, you can, we're about 40 feet up in the air, so people aren't going to see this close up. But it's still going to look really good, I feel.